has been a very important time. The world is in the midst of several crises and trying to recover from many. And the big discussions in Washington have been about the means of implementation, the finance to get to the promises made for development and the Sustainable Development Goals, but also on the Paris Agreement. We've spoken about the SDG stimulus and how that offers to the ministers of finance, to the G20, opportunities to have a good discussion about debt restructuring. We have over 52 countries that quite clearly will be in debt distress. We've spoken about liquidity and the need for short and long-term finance, but that is affordable. We've spoken about the reforms, the evolution roadmap for the World Bank and what it needs to see, a better framing around sustainable development beyond the two goals of poverty and prosperity, that third strand of the DNA for the environment and climate, but also being able to deal with the transitions on energy, the transitions on food systems and digital, the education transformations. We take these away, the momentum, the constructive engagement back to New York, and what we hope is that we begin to shape a more robust and ambitious ask at the Paris Summit, which will happen in June, on our way to September, where we will have the stocktake for the SDGs, and then of course the Marrakesh meetings, the annual meetings of the bank, and the COP28. So a lot of venues that we will have to make good on the promises of the SDGs, on the promises of Paris. And this meeting here has been, I think, one of the best in terms of our constructive engagement. People really speaking about the challenges, but that the solutions are on the table. The leadership is provided with those solutions. Now it's for them to pick up that gauntlet and act for billions of people and the SDGs.